Today with a beautiful platform where you can make money using photos, images, using your own photos or using videos. You can also use illustrations and artwork and you make money. You're going to be asking yourself right now, how much is it? You can make as much as you can. You can make as much as your passion pushes you to. So turn your creativity, your passion into profit and showcase your skills and sell your photos, your videos. As we've said, you also get generated videos and you sell them. You know, this is a very beautiful platform, why I recommend it for you. Before we brought for you various platforms where you can showcase and sell your photos, your own photos and other photos, but these platforms are quite different from this one. This one has very many advantages over the other advantages. You're going to be seeing them as we move on and we see why you should go for this platform. This platform can be accessed in all on your gadgets. Are you on Android? Are you on iPhone? Or you on your PC? Do you have a MacBook? Everywhere you are. And which country are you based in? You can access it. Is it free? Yes, it is free of charge. Let's dive in. But before we dive in, we would love to wish you a real greatest beautiful month of June. You are most welcome. Thanks for supporting us and thanks for making us in the month of May. It was tremendous, beautiful. We really appreciate you. As you appreciate what we are bringing for you, we also appreciate you. Thanks for making us. You know, Immaculate Show, and in particular with Christine, we're really there to hold your hand. We are there to teach you how to fish instead of bringing for you fish. And at the same time, we are here to awaken you, to tell you that you know you have what it takes to make money and go afford your success ahead. Positive mindset is one of our goals. Love is it is ultimate. We don't divert from love. Love is God. So here we go. We bring for you this platform. Compared to other platforms that we bring things for you, this is beautiful. Which platform is this? This platform is called I know all of us, we are waiting for this platform. This platform is called Wirestock.io. Wirestock.io is different from other platforms. This is a platform that really can sell your photos, can sell your illustration and your videos and artwork which are generated by you or generated by Al, which are quite sellable to other platforms, different platforms. What are the advantages of using this platform? The advantages are much better than using individual platform of other stock platforms. For example, other platform that we brought for you, every platform you have to sign in on an individual platform. That means that you make sure that you have like 100 platforms of them on your PC, on your phone, for you to access them and you sell them in different platforms. But for this one, you sign on one platform, which is Wirestock.io, and when you sign on this platform and you upload your photos, this platform, it has a capacity to sell for you your photos in all other platforms that you have been signing up for. So one platform can sell to all other shutter platforms, all of them, all the stock platforms. Can you imagine that? That is a very huge advantage. Then the second advantage is that when you sign up on this and you make money, this one only cuts you 15% compared to other platforms whereby you find they take 45 and above. No, this one, it cuts you 15% for all. Imagine if you were to be cut 45 for each platform. For example, if you have 5 platforms, each will take 45 and above, but this one will cut 15% for all platforms and the 85 will remain for you. This one is tremendous and very good. Another advantage of using this platform is that you are going to sell you're going to sell generated images, videos or artwork, but they have to be original and they have to depict at least to depict the current trends. What do we talk about? Current trends such that if a customer is out there, you know, with content creation, if someone wants to use an image or a photo or anything, need something that is current. So you have to be on top of your game and know that you know what are the trends that are going on. So this is a disclaimer, and at the same time, it's can I call it a warning or an advice? You have to make sure that there is originality. You know, most of us, we like copy and paste. We like to go to, for example, like Pixels. I always get photos from them. So if you go there and bring the pixel photo and put it here, you might be terminated, or your account might be closed. So please refrain from uploading images downloaded from free websites like Unsplash, FreePic, Pixel. We have Shutter, we have all, you know them, there are very many, because your account might be deleted. Then your quality of these photos should be high quality. When we talk about high quality, I have made people who know how to make photos. Even if I recommend you, instead of going for generated images, you can take your images. You know why the trends that are going on. Take your images, come and put them here. Make sure they are very sharp. At least they have sharp focus, they have proper exposure, they have accurate and color balance, and they also, if it is a video, they should not contain any noisy background or grain elements, because those ones will lead also to the dismissal of your admission. You guys, these are very, very great platforms. It's a great platform for you to earn a lot of money. We are talking about $500 free, but it can be more than $500, because every scenario, every challenge is tagged with a price, so you can go to more than that. Then let's go to relevancy. Your required content, you guys, should be relevant to the client needs, because when a client puts something like an image or wants this, let it be relevant. It's not to get any photo and you put it there. It should be your video, your trends, everything should be relevant and should be depicting current trends like culture events, global issues. At least you make sure that yours is going to sell. And for those people, if you know you have outdated content, please, that depicts the past or the intentional please, they will not be accepted. This has been a very good thing. If you a person who knows about diversity, please go ahead and do it, because diversity is very encouraged, and especially it is taken in this content. Most content creators love to make posts, love to make to speak about diversity, so they are going to use it from different races, from different cultures, ages, genders, and various types of content like lifestyle. They are going to love it so much. You guys, you are going to talk, we're going to be thinking about, you people, where do I get all this? These things, you people, they can, let me take you to some of the platform that you can go there and borrow a leaf. So for you people who wants to start somewhere, please go to your browser and look for Midjourney. Midjourney is a platform that you can go. It is called Midjourney. Midjourney, that is Midjourney. It is a platform that you can go and generate images depending on what you need, depending on the trend that you're going to be submitting on, or the one you're very familiar with. And when you go to this Midjourney platform and you get some of the generated images, come back here, make sure you own them, you add some value. Don't go direct and just boom, publish them. No, you have to make sure that you create them to be yours, and you come back and say thank you. I know you are yet to understand, or you are yet to ask, Christine, what is the method of payment for this Wirestock? There are two methods. There's PayPal and Payoneer. You guys, these are the only ones only recommended ones. You can at least attach one of the method. And how do they pay you? We said they pay you 85% of the sold photos or images. Then for them they retain 15%, and they pay you every end of the month. So you guys go back, open these websites, read about them, follow them. I'm going to put the link in the comment section. You can even go down and ask them yourself on this app. Then you go and come back and give your review. This is June. We have to make money from our passion, from what we love and what we do on a daily basis. Thank you very much, you guys. Hope to see you once again, but before that, go down and hit the subscription button. But above all, I would love you to put a comment in the comment section, not one, not two, and remember to share to your friends, to share to your contacts. Let them make money out of this website. See you next time. Bye bye.